Today we are going to make cinnamon rolls. First of all, you put wheat flour into the mixer and then put sugar, and then you want to prepare the wet ingredients, which are warm milk, salt, egg and instant yeast. Mix it well and then put melted butter into it. Then pour it into the mixer and mix it until it's well combined for about 5 minutes. Now we want to take the dough, but make sure that your hands are covered with flour so that it won't stick to your hands. And then put it into an oil bowl, cover it and let it rest for 1.5 hours until it doubles its size. So while you're waiting, you can do your homework that you haven't finished it yet. But if you don't have one, maybe you should go to study for exam. Don't you think so? After 1.5 hours, you can put flour on the table so that the dough will not stick to it. And then you want to roll the dough into a rectangular shape and spread the room temperature butter onto it. And then you want to prepare the fillings, which are brown sugar, cinnamon powder, cornstarch and salt. You want to mix it well so that everything is well combined, and then we are going to sprinkle the fillings onto the dough. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. And then we want to roll the sprinkle so that it will stick on the butter. And then you want to put raisins. You don't have to put if you don't want to. I like raisins, that's why I put a lot. And then you want to cut the rolls using a dental floss, because that's the easiest way to cut it. And then you want to put it onto the baking pan that is greased and cover it and let it rest for another 30 minutes before putting it into the preheated oven.